Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, what is fiscal year? Could you please tell me? What is position? What is the meaning of position?
Search.
The search bar.
Yes, position is the search button in SAP. If you want to search anything or you want to assign it, just go to the position. Position means search. So go to position and enter fiscal year and V3. What is V3? V3 is the standard fiscal year variant. Okay, V3 is the standard fiscal year variant which is already in SAP. Before the configuration, when you got the server, there are some standard things which are already in SAP. So V3 is also. So search V3, select this and copy this. Select V3 from position, then select it, then click on copy. Okay. And it comes in the editable mode. Okay. Then change its, give the fiscal year for 2 digits as its name, any name. Okay. Alphabetic, alphanumeric, any name as per your choice for your company code. Okay. And please remember this, don't do any changes in the V3. This is a standard. You just need to copy it from V3. Okay. Don't do any changes in the V3. It is standard. Just you need to copy from. So it come in editable mode. This is a copy of the V3. So now change it because we had copied it. Any name you can give 2 digits. Okay. Remember alphabetic, alphanumeric, any. You have to note down this. Most important thing in SAP is that you have to note down each and everything. Otherwise, you will forget that it will create confusion. Who's F7 I'm playing? I'm giving this F7. Press enter. Okay. What it's saying? Entry is already exist with the same key. What does it mean? Entries already exist with the same key. What does it mean?
F7
Hmm.
fiscal year variant April to March.
Sayed, please wait. Kritika and Rishi, what does it mean? Entries already exist with the same key.
It's already filled in the set.
We have to enter another code because it is.
See, in SAP, you cannot repeat any number, any code. Never. SAP will not allow you. It's tell you, okay? SAP will tell you. It's saying entries already exist with same key. So change any name, give any another name, okay? So I'm giving this 17. So it's already exist. This is also already. Give another name. Who's 81? Oh, it's taken. Okay. Now after giving this name, any name, 81 have taken, you can take any name. As I told you, any numeric or alphabetic, any name. Then press enter. After giving this name 81, press enter. Then after giving 81, press enter. Then this window will open. Then you need to click on copy all. You need to always click on copy all. Then click number of dependent entries, copy to new. Click on green. It
I
means
can
green tick.
I can I can give any number instead of 81.
Yes, any number. Either numeric, either alphanumeric, or either numeric, as per your choice. But most important thing is that you have to note down them. Okay. And I have copied it from V3. Okay. Number dependent entries copied. It doesn't mean how many entries are copied, just click on continue. Okay. It means it is copied now. 81 is now how it will save in the SAP? It is copied. We need to save it. So how we save anything in SAP? Control S, just control. Press control, then it will save on it. First, it copied. Like this, we do it copied. But how it will save? Control S. So 81. So we have treated 81 as our fiscal year variant. 81 is fiscal year variant for our company code. Okay. You have to note down this.
So
So
in last class we created a new company. Already created a new
yeah.
company with a name. Okay.
Yes. In last session, we have created company code, and other things, and then assign company with the company code. Okay.
Okay.
Only one session. It's very easy. So if you see the recording, you will be able to understand. That's why I told you that if you download it on it Saturday only, then you have got the time to see the recording now. Because today we are doing class on this, see, Monday. So Saturday, Sunday, if you, okay. So, but you have seen today. Okay, it's okay because you were busy. No problem. Still, you will cover because of you have already done its course. SAP FICU only you are doing a revision, so it will be easier for you.
So
Don't worry.
we are doing this practical in S4HANA, right?
Obviously, this is S4 on a server. Yes.
Okay. So V3 is the default fiscal
Yes.
year
Yes.
in
Yes. And you
in
in
software,
S4.
and after selecting V3, we change it to 81, right?
Yeah. After selecting V3, you need to click on copy option. Okay.
Copy option.
You
Okay.
copy option. Then only you need to you can able to change, right?
Okay.
डोंट उसको V3 को आपको नहीं छेड़ना है, ठीक है। सिर्फ उसको क्लिक करना है, कॉपी करना है। दैट इज स्टैंडर्ड कि उससे सब कुछ सब लोग उसी से करते हैं।
ओके,
डोंट।
कॉपी करना है, सेलेक्ट कर कर
हाँ
कॉपी
हाँ
करना है।
हाँ, अभी
ओके।
किया ना आपके सामने। हाँ,
हाँ,
कॉपी कर।
राइट राइट।
ठीक है, तो कॉपी क्या हुआ अब हम ये देखते हैं। जस्ट सेलेक्ट दिस एंड डबल क्लिक ऑन पीरियड।
ओके
सी इट कॉपीड दिस। ओके, सो इस पेज में आपको कुछ करना नहीं है। ओके, सिर्फ ये
ओके
एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस। यू डोंट नीड टू डू एनीथिंग
ओके
बिकॉज जस्ट ऐसे everything is doing SAP. It's very easy step. That's why you have to perform this step like this, because you have to. It's very now seen. Number posting period 12. As I told you, number of special period 4. 12 plus 4 16. Like this. Now see month 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Then days, the 31 29 31. What does this mean? Could you anybody please tell me? In front of month 1 it's written as 31 and February 29. What does it mean? Day.
Number of days in a month.
Yes. These are the number of days in month. In January they are 31 days, February 29 days, and March 30, and so on up to December. Okay, that's it. So this is normal thing. Then what is period? This is also normal thing. How? See, in India, our fiscal year is April to March. So C in front of April, it means 4. What does it written? Period 1. It means in front of April, it is written as period 1. Okay, so because it start from here, so it will show like here. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up to 12. In place of 12 months, period is 9. And extra January 3 months जो बाकी के बच्चे हमारे जनवरी फरवरी मार्च, these are 10 11 12. Okay, it will show like this. This is a setting it will do. Okay, because it start from April to March. ठीक है, it start from April. In front of April showing as period 1.
means see,
January
period means is a month, right? Periods means बोले तो month, like in SAP terminology.
मंथ तो ये हो गया ना, 4th. इट मीन दिस
हाँ,
इज
वही।
अप्रैल
ओके,
मंथ।
4 5
ओके, तो ये आपका फर्स्ट पीरियड है। मतलब ये है कि जैसे अगर आप जब हम करेंगे डॉक्यूमेंट एंट्री तब आपको समझ आ जाएगा। जब हम मंथ अगर 4 मंथ ये अप्रैल चल रहा है, तो आपका पीरियड का एक कॉलम होगा, उसमें आपको फर्स्ट लिखना है, ठीक है। अब जैसे अगर आपका ये अक्टूबर मंथ चल रहा है, ठीक है, तो अक्टूबर मंथ पीरियड का जो कॉलम होगा उसमें आपको 7 लिखना होगा, है ना। अगर आप अप्रैल से काउंट करो, मतलब इस तरह 1 फर्स्ट काउंट करेंगे ना अप्रैल से, बिकॉज इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अप्रैल, राइट। तो
ओके
अब
ओके।
हम
स्पेशल
पीरियड
ये इसमें 4 months, how we can identify number of special periods are 4?
आपको आइडेंटिफाई कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको बस इसमें डिफाइन करना है। कॉन्फ़िगरेशन जैसा होता है, करना कुछ आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करना है, ठीक है। फिर
ओके
ईयर शिफ्ट क्या है, देखो अप्रैल से लेके on December 000, it defined like that. Okay, then January 1 minus 1 minus 1. So SAP did the adjustment like this. Okay, ये सिर्फ I am just explaining you this. ओके कि एसएपी में एडजस्टमेंट किया कैसे है, इसमें आपको करना कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ पे करना नहीं है, आपको कुछ मत करना। ठीक है, ये मैं सिर्फ डबल क्लिक करके आई एम शोइंग दिस टू यू कि हाउ इट एडजस्टेड सेटिंग्स, बिकॉज ये एसएपी इज ए German based software, and its calendar is January to December, not April to March. So that's why it did the set. Okay, and go back. 81 we have created again. Come to this page. Now this object. Assign company code to fiscal year when. Assign company code to fiscal year. T code for this is OB37. Okay. See, Syed, I am telling you the path and side by side telling you the T code also, transaction code also. Okay.
Okay.
So when you do the practice, so first you will do with the path, and second time do the practice with the T code, so that you will be able to remember both. Okay. But you
Okay.
need to do a lot of practice for this to remember all. And I'll
Yes.
provide you the T code list also after the
Assign company
post.
code to fiscal
To
year variant.
fiscal event. T code is OB37. So how we, okay, now data is locked. So if data is locked at any time, so where we go?
SM12.
Yes. You just go to SM12 and delete all entries. It will unlock. Delete username, delete number logs. Click on search button, select all entries, delete. Okay. Again go to assign fiscal year variant. No, it will open. So to assigning anything in the company code, where we will go?
Position.
Click on position. Enter our company. What is our company code? NEW2.
Yeah.
Okay. New 2. No, it comes. Now enter the fiscal year when what we created front of this. Okay, 80.
80.
So it's assigned.
85.
As assignment part is easiest part in the SAP. So you have to do nothing new, just you have to assign. Put and it in front of this and save this. Okay, this step is done. Now next step, go back. Now close this. Now come to this. In fiscal year also. Posting period, okay. But for fiscal year is done. Now posting period. Now what is posting period? First of all, you understand this. Posting period is the period in which we will do the document posting. Okay. In normal language, you say, Indian accounting, what you say? That you are doing the journal entry, that debit credit entry. But in SAP language, we say that we are doing the document posting. Okay. So what is our posting period? Current period, 2025 to 26. That is our posting period. Okay. In which we do the document posting. Now let's define variant for open posting. We have to create variant for. We have to create new variant for. Define variant for open posting period. T code is OBBO. Double click on this and go to new entries. New entries and create variant. As I told you, procedure is same. Any 4 digits code, alphanumeric, you have to mention. So first of all, you need to join the second meeting. So all please join the second meeting, second link which comes on the group. Okay. Syed, please join the second meeting. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
We don't have Teams or some other which
No.
we can continue.
No. We will do a session on the Zoom only. Zoom is the best. Please
Okay,
continue.
okay.